future project is a Resaw that my son rescued. This is a Mershon new standard 54-inch Resaw. We had to disassemble it in order to get it into this barn. And you can see the upright for the upper wheel, and the upper wheel with its cast iron spokes and locomotive tire that makes up the rim. Have some blades over here, about 4-inch blades with swage tips, and underneath that is the solid lower wheel. And in the back we have a 60-horse wound rotor motor. And a wound rotor motor is actually a variable speed motor that through connecting resistance across the 3 windings on the rotor will just make a lot of slip and let the motor run at a lower speed, or it will, give it a soft start feature where you can bring it up to speed slowly when you got a heavy load, like bringing this about 1,000-pound lower wheel up to speed from a dead stop. A lot of work to recondition this saw, but they still use them. 120 some years old, and there's one in downtown Richmond at a reclaimed lumber mill, E.T. Moore, where they resaw wood into narrower blanks, and this carriage assembly with the feed rolls actually pivots so that you can saw bevel siding. And you can feed short pieces of wood through here, 12 inches long, like you could have your box pieces already cut up, and then you resaw them to a different thickness. It'll be a neat saw once it's done. There's the main shaft. I think it's a solid 3-inch shaft.
My turn.
See if I can take a little of the weight off. Pull a little more forward.
All right, this is a historic moment when Brennan is delivering his saw to the sawmill. I'm riding on it.
good enough. It's good.